Hey guys, good evening. Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a few updates of what is happening around the channel. A lot of good stuff has been happening right now as far as premieres go. On Saturday, I actually have a premiere, another one, the second one in a week, with Spring Along Tidewater Rails Volume 3. That's going to be a really good one. That's going to be coming out at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Um, Before I go any further, I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in to Spring Along Tidewater Rails Volume 2, and which was my latest premiere, as well as the Model Railroad Mondays episode for May. Both of them have been really, really popular among the channel. They've been very, very big hits. Thank you to those who tuned into all of those and are continuing to tune in right now. I do greatly appreciate that. I really appreciate you all supporting my channel as well as the content that is being published. I have this in a community section post that is going to be coming out in the morning, but I want to go ahead and at least get the video out so you guys can be looking at some of the plans that I have for the channel. I have volumes 4 and 5 for Spring Along Tidewater Rails. Volume 4 is just about finished, as well as a National Train Day special I did last weekend on May 7th. So that one has been done. Volume 4 is in the process of being done. Volume 3 obviously coming out on Saturday, like I have mentioned. So Volume 4 will be the next project that I will tackle. And as far as editing goes, then the National Train Day special will be the next one to come out. So lots and lots of good stuff get ready to come out for the channel here within the next really few weeks. I've posted some schedule releases, just some odds and ends that I've just found over time and just got them off my phone. So those are out there. Um, I also have another unboxing video for N-Scale and also a little running session. That's two new schedule releases that are in the queue that will come out sometime later this week. Um, Another thing as well, May Q&A prompt is out, so if you guys have not taken a look at that, I encourage you to do so. In my community section, there is a poll for the next HO and G scale running session. Um, those options are in there. You actually have a couple of more days to vote. The voting ends on May 14th, which is in just a couple of days from now, and that actually ends on Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you have not looked at my community section for the latest poll, you need to take a look at this now because you only have really another day and a half to get a lot of this done. So you don't have a lot of time, but if you have not casted your votes, you better do it now. So there's just what's going to happen on the channel. I don't know about the next date for the live stream just yet. So that's going to be on hold for a little bit, but the poll is out. So definitely cast your votes in now. So uh, just trying to think. But that's pretty much it. I wish there was more to talk about, but there's still a lot of stuff up on the channel right now. Summer's looking pretty busy as far as Railfan goes. You know, allowing time and work, allowing time, work, and family right now. But I might have some plans coming up for the summer to get out and get some more videos out there as well. So it's going to be a lot of good stuff. Get ready to come out, guys. A lot of good content, hopefully this year for the remainder of the year as we go in from spring to summer. So very, very, very excited about what's getting ready to happen. So anyway, guys, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell when you get the latest updates on everything. Real important if you tap the bell up there, and just want to thank you guys for watching this video and for all the great support. And I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in the upcoming videos. Take care, guys, and may God bless.